Hello students, welcome to this computer class. In this class, I am going to discuss about the chapter 2, which is File Management Organization of Data. In this class, I am going to discuss about from page number 20 to 23 up to here. So first is working with multiple applications. We can work on more than one application at the same time. Say you can listen to music using Windows Media Player while searching some information on the internet. To play a music file using Windows Media Player, the steps are: Start, then click on All Programs, then Windows Media Player. The Windows Media Player window appears. This is the window of Windows Media Player. Select and play the music file. Minimize this window. Open any web browser, say Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, and search the information you want. Next is searching files and folders. In Windows 7, you can search for files and folders from the Start menu. The steps are as follows. Click on Start button. This is the Start button. To open the Start menu, this is the Start menu. Type search item in the search field at the bottom. This is the search field. A list of search result appears. Suppose, like in this picture, here chapter is searched. So, all the result related to chapter will appear. You can also click See More Result to view more search result. This is the See More Result option. You can also click here to see more result. This is the next step. If you can see the file you wanted, double click to open it. Next is understanding different file formats. Different types of file can be stored in the computer. Each file has its own extension. A file extension is a 3 or 4 letter identifiers. Here identifier means file extension contains 3 or 4 characters. Every file name is followed by a period. Period means dot, and then the file extension. With this file extension, you can identify the type of the file. So file extensions are used for identify the type of the file. Here is an example. A Word document. Word document means MS Word document has .doc. This is the extension for Word document. But .doc is this extension used for old version of MS Word. Here old version means earlier than 2007 version. Or .docx. .docx is the new version. This file extension is used for MS Word 2007 to onward. For example, project.docx. An Excel file has .xls for old version or .xlsx as the file extension. This is the new version, new file extension for Excel file. For example, result.xlsx. An image file may have an extension .jpg, .gif, .png, .bmp. These all are the different type of image file extension. For example, tulips.jpg. A file created in PowerPoint has .ppt. This is the file extension of PowerPoint file, but .ppt used for old version, and new file extension is .pptx. For example, pollution.pptx. Next is audio files. Audio files means music files are saved with extension .mp3 or .wav, etc. Video file extension is .mp4, .avi, etc. You can also tell the file type by looking at the file icon. For example, this is the file icon for Word file. This is the PowerPoint file icon. Next is searching file using wildcard characters. Wildcard are special symbols that can be used to search a file or folder whose exact name we do not know. So when we do not know the exact file or folder name, we can use wildcard characters to search the file or folder. There are two wildcards supported in Windows search. So in Windows there are two wildcard characters. First is star and next is question mark. Using wildcard character star, it is also called asterisk symbol. The wildcard character star can be used to replace a string of text. String of text means multiple characters in a search term. If you enter IM star, you will get all the words starting with IM. If you enter star IM, you will get all the words ending with IM. If you enter star IM star, it means you will get all the words that contains IM. Next is, if you want to search for all the files created in Word, Word means MS Word file. If you want to search all MS Word files, so you can type star.docx. Docx is the file extension of Word. Another example, if you want to search for files that start with image and have an extension .gif, then use the search term image star.gif. Another example is, if you want to search for all the files that may contains img in the file name and can have any extension, then use the search term is star img star dot star. This dot star denote any type of file extension. If you want to search for all the files with names starting with A and extension .jpg, then use the search term A star.jpg. So that's all for today's class. In the next class, I am going to discuss about another wildcard character, which is question mark.